How much should you actually spend on a Garmin running GPS watch? Some people are happy buying the cheaper models but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Forerunner 55 in Aqua. The Forerunner 55 in Aqua caught my eye immediately with its sleek design and user-friendly features. Priced at $199.99, it's positioned as a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned runners. If you want a reliable running companion that offers daily suggested workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in GPS tracks your distance and pace, which means you can focus on your run without worrying about your phone. Plus, the wrist-based heart rate monitor gives you insights into your performance without needing a chest strap. The battery life is impressive too, up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and 20 hours in GPS mode. With over 6,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's a popular pick among runners looking for simplicity and effectiveness. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced metrics like VO2 max. Here's the thing though, if you're new to running or just want to track your basic stats, this isn't a deal breaker. But if you're a data junkie, you might want to look at a higher-end model. This is perfect for you if you're starting your running journey or want a straightforward watch that won't complicate your life. Skip this one if you need extensive training metrics or advanced analysis. For its price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the lack of advanced metrics bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Forerunner 55 in black. Let's take a look at the Forerunner 55 in black, which is quite similar to the Aqua version, but comes at a lower price of $129. It's perfect if you're on a tight budget but still want a solid GPS running watch. If you're aiming for a reliable tracker without breaking the bank, this is worth your attention. This model shares most features with its Aqua counterpart, including GPS tracking and wrist-based heart rate monitoring. The battery life is also impressive, up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and 20 hours in GPS mode. What really stands out is the daily suggested workouts that adapt based on your fitness level and recovery time. It's like having a personal coach right on your wrist, which is super helpful for building a routine. However, some users did mention that the screen could be a bit hard to read in direct sunlight. But let's be real, if you're just using it for basic stats and everyday runs, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective running watch. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced training metrics. At this price point, it's a steal for what it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more tech. Product number 3, Forerunner 165 Black. Now let's talk about the Forerunner 165 in black. This watch is priced at $204 and features a vibrant AMOLED display that caught my attention right away. If you want a smartwatch that combines style with serious running features, this one's worth a serious look. It's bright and easy to read, even in sunlight. The battery life is good too, up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and 19 hours in GPS mode. And with personalized daily workouts that adapt based on your performance and recovery, you're getting tailored training right on your wrist. Plus, the safety features like incident detection can provide peace of mind when you're out running alone. Now, some reviews mention that it can feel a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for advanced features and a stunning display, it's absolutely worth it despite the size. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch with advanced features for serious training. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and minimalistic. For what you get, it's a solid investment for dedicated runners. Now, if the size of the last watch worried you, the next one might just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, Forerunner 265. Up next is the Forerunner 265, a feature-packed running smartwatch priced at $433.02. It's designed for those who want serious insights into their training. If you're looking for a watch that offers comprehensive training metrics and recovery insights, this one is definitely worth considering. With 30+ built-in activity profiles, it's versatile for any fitness enthusiast. Plus, it comes with safety features like incident detection and the ability to alert your emergency contacts, which can be crucial during outdoor runs. However, it's on the pricier side and some users may find the learning curve a bit steep. But honestly, if you're committed to improving your running and are serious about tracking your progress, the investment can pay off big time. This is perfect for you if you're a serious runner who wants detailed insights and features to enhance your training. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic functionality. For its capabilities, it's a worthwhile investment for dedicated athletes. Now, if the price of this one is a concern for you, this last watch might just be the perfect middle ground. Product number 5, Forerunner 165 in Whitestone. Finally, we have the Forerunner 165 in Whitestone. At $227.99, it offers a beautiful design and a fantastic feature set. If you're looking for a good blend of style and functionality without going overboard on your budget, this is a great option. The features here mirror those of the black version, including the AMOLED display and personalized workouts. You also get smart notifications from your paired smartphone, which is nice for staying connected while on a run. With an impressive battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and 19 hours in GPS mode, it really holds its own for long runs and workouts. On the downside, some users have reported that the white band can get dirty quickly. But let's be real, if you're willing to clean it up occasionally for that sleek look, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish running watch that still provides all the essential features. Skip this one if you're looking for a super rugged model. At this price, you're getting a lot for your money with solid performance and style. So to wrap it all up, to summarize, the Forerunner 55 offers simplicity and value. The Forerunner 55 in black gives you a budget-friendly option. The Forerunner 165 adds style and features. The Forerunner 265 is a serious training tool, and the Forerunner 165 in Whitestone gives you a stylish yet functional choice. Each has its unique strengths, so the best one for you really depends on what you value most in a running GPS watch.